Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to a GIMP tutorial on how to go ahead and delete a background using the Paths tool on GIMP. First things first, if you guys just want to leave a like and comment down below for me for the algorithm, then I'd really appreciate it. And this is actually called Free Select tool on here. So you want to click on it and then go to your background and you can just line up the edges and you'll notice that it creates vectors, and I'll show you by what I mean by that in a second, because this part's actually gonna be the hardest part for me to crop out properly. So allow me to just do this part real quick. Okay, and you'll get better with it as you go. You know, I've learned to like just follow it. And then okay, so when I say it creates vectors, right, what I mean, and I can show you once I'm done here, is that whenever I click, you see these like little circle points, is because if I mess up, I can like move it. So as you see, okay, oh no, I went to this rock. No, no, not oh no. I can actually just click on the circle and go back. You know, we'll make it a little bit rougher to save you guys time. Go ahead and move that. Okay. Wham, 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 wham. And then if I don't care about anything meticulous in the sky, what I normally do is just send it out of the picture, then down, and bam, bam. Okay, you can be as meticulous as you want or as lazy as you want about it, as you want to go about it, as you can see. And then it'll delete everything in here. If I go to edit and then cut, now my background is gone. And I could have did this around these characters. I could have did it around just this fire. It just depends what you want to do it around. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, make sure to go ahead and leave them down below. But other than that, it's been a GIMP tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.